Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. You all loved my previous one ingredient video where I used onions to create a delicious and beautiful fine dining dish. So I thought, why not do it again? But this time I'm going to use carrots. We're going to make a beautiful carrot mosaic and serve it with a carrot vinaigrette, some carrot oil, a carrot cream and a crispy. So if you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel and hit that notification button to be sure that you don't miss any amazing cooking videos. So, let's begin. First, we're going to start by reducing 1.5 liters of carrot juice till it's 250 milliliters. Do this on a medium heat. Then put it through a fine sieve and keep it for later. Then for the carrot cream. Transfer 1 kg of carrot on some aluminium foil and season with a touch of salt and oil. Now wrap this tight and then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 70 minutes. Then remove the foil and let them cool down for a couple of minutes. After that, peel them and trim the sides. Keep the trimmings for later. Then transfer them into a blender and also add 80 grams of the reduced carrot juice. Blend this till smooth. Then transfer it into a piping bag and keep it in your fridge for later. Now for the carrot crisp. Transfer the trimmings on a silicone sheet and dry them at 60 degrees Celsius for around 5 hours till completely dry. Then transfer them into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. Now mix 70 grams of neutral oil with 100 grams of carrot juice and 20 grams of the carrot powder that we just made. Mix this till it's fully emulsified. Then heat up a non-stick frying pan and when it's really hot, pour some of the batter in the middle. Turn down the heat and slowly let all the liquid vaporize. Once no more bubbles form, it's crispy and you can gently remove it from the pan. Let it cool down on a piece of kitchen paper and keep it dry and covered for later. Then for the oil. Separate the stems from some carrots and pick the leaves. Keep the stems for later. Transfer 40 grams of the leaves into a blender and also add 100 grams of neutral oil. Now blend this till the oil is at 65 degrees Celsius. It will heat up from the friction of the blending process. Then pour it on a sieve that's laid with a kitchen paper and let it drain in your fridge for a couple of hours. Once that's done, mix the remaining reduced carrot juice with the carrot oil and gently mix it for a delicious vinaigrette. Then for the carrot mosaic. Lay the carrot stems on a tray and dry them at 60 degrees Celsius for a couple of hours till completely dry. Then transfer them into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. Now take the other carrots and transfer them on some aluminium foil and season with a touch of oil and salt. Wrap them tight with the foil and then bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. After that, remove the foil and let them cool down in your fridge. Once they're cold, you can gently peel them and trim the edges. Then transfer them on a tray and dust the carrot stem powder on top. Make sure that everything is covered with the powder. Now cover your cutting board or worktop with a layer of the plastic wrap and lay your carrots on top. Then roll this as tight as possible and make a knot on one side. Hold on to the other side and roll it even tighter. Now also make a knot on that side and trim the edges. Then let it set in your fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's set, gently cut it in thick slices with a razor sharp knife. Now remove the plastic foil and then we can start to plate. First, lay your carrot mosaic on the middle of a plate. Pipe a couple of dots of the carrot cream around the mosaic and decorate it with thinly sliced carrot, carrot leaf and the carrot crispy. And then finish it off with the carrot vinaigrette. Okay guys, that's it for today. Let's do a little debrief on the dish, because first off, when I started making this video I had something totally different in mind. But I'm really pleased with the result, because while I was filming I came up with the mosaic theme on the carrot. And yeah, it's actually, for me, it's quite mind-blowing that I didn't think of this earlier. But let's have a little taste. Yeah. The carrots are really soft, but they also have some texture, which is really nice. The vinaigrette, because we reduced the carrot juice so much, it's packed with flavor. It's actually really unbelievable that this is only carrot. No, a touch of oil, but only carrot. It's packed with flavor. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Yeah, so that's it for today guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video, and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!